Oh, hello. All right, we're going to do some addition and subtraction. Now you're going to try to figure out, see what I did. Figure out the equations that I did and what the answers are. In addition, we call the answer a sum. Say sum. Yes, the answer is called a sum. In subtraction, we call the answer a difference. Difference. Like, what's the difference? So you need to find the difference of these subtraction equations and find the sum of these addition equations. That's not just it. Check to see if your numbers are written neatly. That's a big deal. Write your numbers neatly. Don't just scribble scrabble. And show your families. Families, make sure there's no scribbly scrabblies and make sure the numbers look nice and neat. Also, the symbols need to look like math symbols. Subtraction, take it away. And addition, put it together. All right, here we go. You're going to do 19 subtract 9, 18 subtract 8, 17 subtract 7, 16 subtract 6. Some of you might think that is just so fast and easy, you can just do it in your head. That's not the point. The point is, write neatly. I know first grade teachers, and they want your numbers to look nice and neat. I also know kindergarten teachers. And this one really wants them to be nice and neat so that you can write numbers that look like numbers. 15 plus 5 equals 14 plus 6 equals 13 plus 7 equals, and 12 plus 8 equals. Now, if you're thinking, Mr. Dowd, I will write them neatly, but it's still too easy for me. Well, here's the challenge. If it's too easy for you, and I understand, everyone is at a different level in math, and that's really wonderful. This is where we want to be for kindergarten. If you want an extra challenge, you know what I want you to do? I want you to change all of the ones to twos and put a 1 in front of the next number. So this would become a 2, and this would become a 1. Good luck. That's tricky. But I'm going to erase those because that is not what I'm asking everyone to do. So let me get that 1 back in here. And let me get rid of that 1 there. And I will, I'm not going to say subtract, but I am subtracting it. I'm subtracting that 1. I'll subtract this 2 with my finger. And I'll put a 1. All right. I'm going to hit pause while you write these down and you solve them. And then we'll come back together. Well, come back together and you'll see the answers. Remember, different ways to solve math problems. If you need to get some things to count and to move and subtract and take away, math manipulatives we call them, or objects, go get those. You can draw the dots underneath your numbers as well. All right, see you in just a minute. No peeking at the answers. And we're back. Okay, here we go. 19 subtract 9. 19's a teen. It's a 10 and a few more ones. But if I take those ones away, all I have left is 10. 18 subtract the 8 is 10. 17 subtract 7. It's 10. 16 subtract 6. It's 10. And let me tell you why. The opposite of subtraction is addition. So if I start at the difference and I add the difference to this 9, what do I get? What's 10 plus 9? 19. What's 10 plus 8? 18. 10 plus 7? 17. 10 plus 6? 16. Let's check out the addition. 15 plus 5 more, 20. 14 plus 6 more, 20. 13 plus 7 more, 20. 12 plus 8, 20. So these are all partners of 20. One day, 14 and 6 were walking down the street. They said, hey, let's go be buddies. Let's be partners. Because if we're partners, we can be partners for 20. And then 13 and 7 were down at the park. And 13 and 7 say, hey, I heard 4 and 6 are buddies and they're partners of 20. 13 and 7, let's be partners and we can be 20 as well. Same with 12 and 8. They partnered up to make 20. 15 and 5 partnered up to make 20. Partners in numbers, and they're two of a kind. They go together to make a number, and they work all the time. A number can be made, or a number can be broken. All right, so these are some of your partners for 20. It's good to remember them. And now we can also remember that a teen is a 10 added to a few more ones, but you can also take those ones away and be left with just 10. All right. Again, remember, if that's not a challenge enough for you, you can always make the numbers more challenging. And in this case, turn all the teen numbers into 20s and turn all the ones, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, into teens. Make up your own math stories. Just write your numbers neatly and get the answers correct. All right, nice job, mathematicians.